Hello guys, welcome to my second PT session with Lauren MANTHA. I am a little bit early. I'm just about to head out into the gym with her. So I'm going to take you guys along with me.
Since I've seen you? Maybe 3 weeks. I think about 3 weeks. Okay. Do you have any fun plans for the summer? Like any travel plans? I was gonna go
Isolate on something, yeah.
Yeah, but
I know, it's like, I'm like, I only want these lower body glute workouts.
yeah,
I get it though, because a lot of the girls that sign up are like trying to get into a routine, right?
yeah. Whereas like now, when I work out, it's like lower or upper. It's like, I don't know.
Dude, your abs were crazy. I was like, oh Lord, what the heck?
Pop those on at the end of everything.
I'm not as cut as you.
Honestly, it's mostly just to start like ledge flowing.
Even when I have a weight, I'm like, I don't really know what I'm doing. Like,
It's like pretending you're doing an RDL.
yeah.
I mean, if that makes more sense, you can just pretend you're holding weights.
I just feel like I never feel what it's supposed to do.
That's okay. I know, you know, I like wake up and like the just a little hot and it's at like 90 degrees. I'll keep doing this for this. Okay. Like take it all the way up here, the leg. Okay. Really pushing stress, you know. Okay. Let's do 12 on each side. Okay. Really fun.
12 reps.
Your heel just a tiny bit closer to you. Yep. How does that feel? Yeah. Weight in that heel? Yeah. Yeah. Weight in the
It's so awkward because it's so high.
It is high. The first
It's okay,
one
though.
that you pump like up, you can like
Shimmy back, right?
rejig a little
Okay.
bit. I have to do this too. It's considered
I'm like, whoa, it's so high.
cutie clearance. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Am I doing 8?
Yeah.
Am I too far?
Do a press?
Yeah. Am I okay? Position?
Yeah, go all the way up. Yeah. Yeah. You can just set it if you had to.
Yep.
Okay. Two. Go over 2 feet. Yeah, okay. Perfect. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold up, pause it, and turn it your elbow. So take those. And hold the vertical for 8, 7, 6, heels, 3, 2, and lower. We're just gonna start out some
feel it here.
Yep.
Yeah.
So think, can you lift your back toe up? Okay, put some more weight in that front foot then.
Oh.
And think, hinge from the hip backwards.
Okay.
So try not to bend that front knee. Good. 3. Arm to the foot. So we're balancing here. So
Okay.
if this foot is here, I'm going to use this hand just to
Okay.
help balance. If our toe is like at this pole,
Mm-hmm.
we can put our toe out just a little bit
Okay.
to give ourselves some space.
Okay.
Like that. On my lower back.
Okay. Okay.
That is what keep your other hand on your hip or on your lower back. And do you feel your glute engage when you come up? Yeah. Good. We're gonna go for 8 again.
My quad's like blocking because I'm tired. Okay.
Good. Beautiful. Step 3. Got it. Last one. Mind muscle, squeeze, and lower. Good. Nice.
Oh yeah. So what's your next like race or something?